In this video, we will be discussing the 3 different engine options available on the new 2016 Chevy Colorado. The first option is a 2.8-liter diesel engine. This engine will give you 181 horsepower and best-in-class 369 pound-feet of torque, while offering best-in-class 7,700 pounds of towing capacity and best-in-class fuel economy at 22 mpg city and 31 mpg highway. The second option is a 3.6-liter V6 engine. This engine will give you 305 horsepower and 269 pound-feet of torque, while offering best-in-class fuel economy at 16 mpg city and 23 mpg highway. Additionally, it offers best-in-class 7,000 pounds of towing capacity. The third and final option is a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine. This engine offers best-in-class 200 horsepower and best-in-class 191 pound-feet of torque, a towing capacity of 3,500 pounds, as well as best-in-class fuel economy at 20 mpg city and 27 mpg highway. For more news, reviews, and how-tos on the 2016 Chevy Colorado and other Chevy models, please subscribe to our channel.